My cousin brought this laptop and it's not connecting to the Wi-Fi. He was running Windows 7, then he upgraded to Windows 10. As you're gonna see, it's not seeing any of the Wi-Fi networks. So if I go here, it doesn't show any Wi-Fi networks. It's grayed out, so it doesn't give me any options to connect. The next thing I do is I go to device manager and I select the wireless device and I click uninstall, and it asks me if I am sure. I click yes. Then I close the window. I go to the Windows button. I select power and shut down. Now it's shutting down. Once it's off, I press it again to turn it on, and it's gonna load, and we're gonna log in to Windows. And it's gonna reinstall the driver. So now it's loaded, and when I click here on the wireless, it turns on for a fraction of a second and then it grays out again. So I right click and then I select open network and sharing center. Then I go to change device settings, and on my connection I right click and then I select disable. I wait until it's disabled and I right click again and select enable. So it's gonna enable it again. Now that's enabled, I go back to the taskbar and I have an option to connect, and I log in. And so now I'm able to go to the website to the Toshiba, since this is a Toshiba, and on the drivers I select Wi-Fi and I download the latest ones, the latest drivers, and I'm gonna install them, and the computer keeps working fine. So this is it, and thank you. Please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.